Well, I finished it, I believe. We're going to take a look. There's that. All the way around. Okay. Turn it on. The water. Going in there. Here, it's coming through down here. Doesn't seem to be leaking. Now here's the moment of truth. And that hum and that power. Woo!